We're back at it, you guys. Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. My name is Megan if you are new here. Today we are going to be making, which you can already tell from the title, we are going to be making Burt's Bee's Dupe chapstick. I have all the ingredients right here, as you can see. I was genuinely shocked when I saw on Pinterest that you can make a Burt's Bee's Dupe chapstick for literally 24 cents a tube, and they're selling this out in the store for what, $4 or $5, something like that. So if you want to save some money and have some moisturized lips, stay tuned for this video because you'll want to watch it. Okay guys, here's all my ingredients. I got most of this from Amazon, so I'll try to link it down below. But I have these little containers that I'm gonna put the chapstick in. I have vitamin E oil, which I got from Walmart, not Amazon. I got this coconut oil that I've had for a long time. I'm pretty sure I got it off of Amazon, but I'm not 100% sure. I have this peppermint essential oil that I got from Amazon. And then I have this white beeswax pellets that I got from Amazon. And then just some measuring spoons that I had. And I got beetroot powder and hibiscus powder to make some tinted lip balm. I got these because they're organic, and so I'll have all natural products in my lip balm. Yeah, it's important to me to, if you watched my last video then you already know, but it's important for me to have all natural ingredients in my stuff, and I'm trying to work on that throughout my life. So let's get started on some cooking. We moved a little further into the kitchen, so it might look a little different, but first it says to add 1/3 cup of beeswax and 1/3 cup of coconut oil, and let that melt in a saucepan, but don't let it boil. Okay, so while that is heating up, I am gonna go ahead and rearrange some of the tins on this baking sheet, just so it'll be easier to carry all of them at one time and put them in the freezer at the end of the cooking process, I guess is what you would call it. Let's do that. Okay, so the recipe actually said that it would fill up 4 2-ounce tins. The tins that I got are 0.5 ounces, so that means it'll fill up 16, right? Here are my tins all laid out and ready to go. So let's go check on the beeswax and stuff. Ooh, it's all melted. Let's turn this off. Alright, so now that it's done, it's time to pour them into these tins. I'm not exactly sure how well this is gonna go, so wish me luck, you guys. So here is the wax. I must have counted it wrong because I don't think it failed. 1 2 3 4 2 4 6 8 10 10 tins. That's okay, you know. It says to pop them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes and they should be good. So let's do that. Set the timer. We'll just do 3 minutes and start. Alright. Hopefully it's good. See you in 3 minutes my time, but like 2 seconds your time. Okay. Alright, she's done. Let's go check on them. They look done. Daisy, no. Daisy trying to eat them. Alright, here they are. I'm not really sure what happened to these. I don't know if I didn't put enough beetroot powder in them or if it all sank to the bottom because I didn't stir it in enough. But yeah, here they are. Okay, I'm gonna smell this one. I don't smell it. Here's what it looks like up close. She a beauty guru. Just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna feel it. Feels nice. Feels very moisturizing. I think I would like it if it had a little bit more peppermint in it, because you know, like Burt's Bees, when you get the original scent, like the peppermint scent, it's like, ooh, tingly. Sorry, that was really awkward, but if you wear Burt's Bees, you know what I mean. So I think I would add more Burt's Bees. I mean, add more peppermint oil to it to make it a little zingier. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, because it really supports my channel and helps YouTube push my videos out to more people. More people want to be saving that money. That didn't make any sense grammatically, but you know what I mean. Anyways, make sure you follow me on Instagram right here. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know down in the comments below if you try this recipe and if you like it. All right, bye.